Hi, I'm Bonnie, the Career Education Influencer. Over the past 10 years, I've worked with students from kindergarten to grade 12. I want to share what I've learned about how much school grades relate to a student's potential to thrive in the future. We're all motivated by activities that bring us joy and engagement versus those we're not interested in. Yet we expect students to excel in all school subjects as an indicator of their future success. We ask them to engage with information that isn't contextualized or connected to the world they see around them. My son is in a very demanding computer program at a local college. He suffered from depression and anxiety throughout his time at school. He wasn't finding success academically, and he wasn't attending. I was concerned it might be a work ethic issue or that he may not be academically capable. I spent many nights worrying about his future and seeing his school performance as an indicator instead of a wake-up call. What I learned this year was quite the opposite. Now in a program that, based on his previous academic performance, should have been impossible, he's working harder than ever and succeeding. In fact, he's at the top of his class. The program is demanding but hands-on and practical. He sees it as a means to an end to the future that he's actively designing. I realize that my worries about his future were unfounded. If only I'd been told by someone that his lack of interest and motivation at school was actually a symptom of a broken system, not a broken child. Career education allows students to create a personalized pathway connecting each step to their hopes and dreams. It gives them a space to explore how they want to impact the world in their own and unique way.